Welcome back to this channel. In the last class we have started function, and when you are given two non-empty sets A and B, a function is a rule that relates each element in set A to exactly one element in set B. So this is what I'm talking about. This is y is a function of x. Y is f of x. Y is equal to f of x. That is, y is a function of x. So this x is the input and y is the output. This x is the input. Now, input variables are the numbers that go into a function and they are called independent variables. Now, here, whatever you plug in, whatever number that you plug inside, that it will process it for you, the function will process it for you, then it gives you exactly one output. That is what we mean by input, and it is the independent variable. Now, set of this independent variable is called domain. Y is the output variable, and this output variable is the dependent variable. The set of this dependent variable is what we now want to talk about, because it gives two. We have codomain and we have range. That is the set of dependent variable. This one is depending on these inputs. Now, the set of numbers that may possibly come out of a function is called codomain, and the set of numbers that actually come out after assigning each element of the domain is called the range. So for example, let's say we are given two non-empty sets A and B. So the elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, and the elements of set B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, and the function, that is y is equal to f of x, which is equal to 2x plus 1. So this is the number that we want to plug in first. So when x is equal to 1, f of x will be equal to 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So this 1 will be assigned to exactly one output here, which is 3. So when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, f of x, which is y, which is the same thing as y, is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1, and it is equal to 5. So 2 is assigned to 5. When x is equal to 3, f of x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1, and that is equal to 7. So this one goes to this one. When x is equal to 4, f of x is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1, and that is 9. So this one goes here. So the domain, our domain will be set of all the inputs. Domain will be equal to set of A, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, all the possible outcome of the codomain. The codomain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the range will be exactly the outcome. That is those one that each element of A is assigned with or assigned to. So range is equal to 3, 5, 7, and 9. So we can say that range is a subset of codomain. So that's the difference between range and codomain.